Okay, we are going to make an awesome project today. So for this project, we get to eat it. It is going to be a yummy project. We're going to make the simplest cookies ever. What a name for a cookie, the simplest cookies ever. It really you only need 2 ingredients, or if you want it to be extra tasty, 3. I'm making mine extra tasty, so I'm gonna have 3 in mine. All you need is some oats, 2 bananas, and I'm using chocolate chips in mine. You don't have to have the chocolate chips, but I want them in my cookies. So simple to make this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your 2 bananas and peel them. Just like that. And you want your bananas to be really ripe, okay? You might want to put them in little pieces like this. Remember to open it from the bottom of the banana, and that way they open really well. Okay, so let's put this one in here and this one in here. The riper your bananas are, the better that they are, because the sweeter they will be. Okay, then you are going to take a potato masher, or you can use a fork, or you can use a spoon, whatever it is that you want to use, and you want to mash up your potatoes. Oh, get them all mashed. And keep on mashing mine until they're ready. Oh yeah, you need a bowl too. Those are some of those things that we learned about, utensils that you need when you're cooking, right? Yeah. Okay, so just get them all mushy, 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 as mushed up as you possibly can. Mush, 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 mush. I'm thinking that looks pretty good. I'm going to show you guys. See? So that's what it should look like. Okay, now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to scrape off, because I want all my banana to be in there. Okay, so then I'll put that down. Then you need just 1 cup of your oats and pour that in and mix it up. There's no water, there's no sugar, nothing. Well, there is a little bit of sugar in your chocolate chips, but other than that, there isn't any. And you mix it up and you mix it up and you mix it up. Okay, now my bananas were extra mushy, so I can tell by looking at it, I need a little bit more of my oats. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more in. It depends on how big your bananas were, because you want it to be kind of like what cookie dough would be, because these are kind of like cookies is what we're making. So you want to make sure that they're thick enough. Okay, I think that might be pretty good. See, now that looks better. Looks more like cookie dough. Okay, then I'm adding in some chocolate chips. And you don't have to measure this at all. Just pour in what you want. I think that's good. I would say that was probably 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And then stir it and stir it and stir it and stir it. And then you're going to take it by the spoon full and you're going to put it on your cookie sheet. And I'm going to go in the kitchen and do that part. And when you get them all on your cookie sheet, then you're going to set your oven for 350 degrees and cook them for 15 minutes. Okay? So I'm going to go do that right now. So I'll be right back in 15 minutes, okay? Okay, it's 15 minutes later, and here are my yummy cookies. I can't wait to have one. I know Ollie's gonna want one as soon as they cool. They're still a little bit hot because they just came out of the oven. Well, I want to see your cookies that you guys make, so you make sure that you get have your grown-up take a picture, okay, and post it on Facebook and let me know if they were yummy.